What's going on, everybody? Jape here with Wander to Get Lost, and this is going to be a quick little DIY hack on how you can gain some extra amps for your RV.
It could be this simple forever.
Alright, for everybody who's been following us, and if you don't know, we have a 2008 Winnebago Sightseer 35J, and we're a 30 amp RV. And that comes with some big limitations on the amount of appliances or amount of things we can run at once without going over 30 amps. And then you can run into, once you hit over that 30 amps, start blowing stuff on your panel. So figured out a quick little way that we can gain some extra amps and still be able to use all the amps in our RV and still use some appliances. So I'm going to show you right now. Let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing, we're coming over to the pole which a bird pooped on. But you can see there's the 30 amp shoreline plug. There's our surge guard. So what we do is we take the unused shoreline plug, which is 50 amp service. I have a 50 to 30 adapter, and then I have a 30 amp extension cord. So then you just do that from the open receptacle, and then you run an extension cord to wherever you want the extra power to be. So in this case we run it under the RV to our outdoor tent. And then here inside our tent you can see here's our 30 amp extension cord. Then I have it going to a 30 to 15 amp three-way splitter, and that way we can plug in 3 devices or 3 appliances like so. And here we have our air fryer oven, and we have an ice maker. Alright everybody, that is it. That is how we gain some extra amps for our 30 amp RV. Obviously this could also work if you have a 50 amp RV. You would just use the open 30 amp receptacle on the pole, and you can run off of that. So it's just a little hack, and it makes a big difference because then we don't have to worry about constantly turning off one of the AC units if we're running the air fryer or the oven. Our ice maker can always be running, so we don't have any issues with that. So just a little hack that we figured out after a little while, going, duh, why aren't we using that extra receptacle? Alright, I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow along on our crazy RV journey, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day, everybody. Stay lost.